Welcome back to the channel. Today on our hands is the DJI OSMO Nano. The camera has a 1/1.3-inch sensor and it can support up to 4K 60 frames per second. And if your video, you can actually record in 10-bit D-Log-M. And similar to the DJI Action 2, is actually a component-based design. As for the battery, it comes with 200 minutes of extended battery. There's also a live view that you can actually see what you are filming, and it also supports the Osmo audio system. It has an IPX4 rating for its vision deck and it's 10 meters waterproof. In the package you will find a camera, a multifunction vision dock, a protective case, a magnetic head clip, a magnetic lanyard, a dual direction magnetic 4-point adapter mount, and a USB-C 3.1 cable, and some documents. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside the package. Okay. So this is the ballpoint adapter, the USB-C cable, this is the protective case for the camera, and this is the lanyard. And this is just a leaflet of where to get the manual. This should be the actual camera. It's very small. Oh. This is the Multifunctional Vision Dock. It's a kind of a warranty card. Not warranty card, rather just a forum, just an advertisement. And another sticker. Now let's install the camera. Yep, it's nicely good. So this is the display. Okay, and there are two buttons on the side. Over here and here. So to mount it, you have to actually do it. Make sure it's clicked on. Just now. Okay. Once you have activated the OSMO Nano, you'll be greeted with this screen. So let's take a look at the interface. So we can swipe down to actually change the settings. For example, over here you can also include the wireless mic. There are other settings, like for example the always on display, timer shooting, built-in audio backup, bit rates, etc. And also the brightness. You can change the brightness of the screen. You can also use voice control. From the bottom of the screen, we can change the resolution and the frame rate. So in this case, the lowest is 1080p 16:9 with 24 frames per second, and you can go all the way up 4K 4:3 at 60 frames per second. And on top of that, you can change the stabilization mode, whether you set it to off or rock steady. And for rock steady, you can choose either wide angle or the. Let's do it again. As for the stabilization mode, you can choose you can turn it off. And record in standard mode or ultra wide. Or you can turn on rock steady, which also allows you to use standard DWAP or wide angle to record. So usually we'll use 16:9, 50 frames per second. So if you swipe from the left or the right, you can get into the photo mode, video mode, the slow motion mode, time-lapse mode. Clicking this will show you all the videos that were recorded previously. It's one of the videos that we recorded. Okay. So clicking this will show you all the videos you have. Here are two clips that I took, one in daylight and the other one in dim lighting inside a cinema. These video clips were taken in 4K 50 frames per second. To check out the other videos that I've taken using the OSMO Nano, I've placed the links inside the YouTube description box below. In conclusion, the DJI OSMO Nano carves out on its own unique niche. It's an incredible, compact and lightweight camera with a magnetic chip design that lets you mount it on any metal surface. The quick start and fast charging means that you're ready to film in minutes, and the Multifunctional Vision Dock, you can basically get extended recording time capturing up to 3.5 hours of 4K footage. While the non-removable battery is a definite drawback, the camera's performance, even in low light, makes it a great choice for vlogging and on-the-go recording. The ability to shoot in 4K at various frame rates allow you to seamlessly integrate footage from other cameras, avoiding any loss of quality or frames. Finally, the DJI Mimo app makes the entire workflow very smooth. You can quickly edit your videos and post them right from your phone. Ultimately, the DJI OSMO Nano isn't just an action camera. It's a versatile, modular tool that is perfect for creators who need a small, powerful, and adaptable camera for all scenarios. This concludes our video review of the DJI OSMO Nano. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can also head to our website for the detailed review and the pricing information of the DJI OSMO Nano. Do remember to like and share the video, and click the notification bell for future updates. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next one.
小孩啊，
嗯